Hello, today we're going to be testing keyboard that I just assembled. It's the drop-in replacement mechanical keyboard based on cherry switches for STF and ReFalcon. I'm using a keycap that has been printed last year by my friend from Poland, Mariusz. Unfortunately, during several months they've been collecting dust. I lost the tab keycap and I lost insert and clear home keycap, but so I had to substitute them with some extra keycaps that Mariusz printed for me. That's not going to prevent us from testing the keyboard. Overall, just want to let you know it feels really nice with those mechanical switches. It's like a completely new level of typing experience. I'm sure those of you who will put it together at some point of time are going to be appreciating that working, with a better typing experience on Falcon. It's amazing how it feels. Anyway, just gonna do a quick peek on the assembled board. I substitute most of the components with the surface mount. All right, let's get to test. I need to move my phone to hold the alternate key to press cursor keys. I don't have three hands, so I'm pressing alternate and trying to use the cursor keys. And it's working. All right. We have some prompt here. We can type some letters, numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's all working fine. QVU first row, it's working also fine. It's working fine too. Great. Let's try numeric. 0 dot brackets. Awesome. So for function keys, I can, again, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start sysinfo. All right, I'm going to try to scroll through pages. F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10. Go back to F1. All right, looks like it's working.